We're covering the snake walk today. Now, I've seen a bunch of tutorials that have overcomplicated this move, so I'm here to simplify it for you. Don't get me wrong, this move is very hard, especially if you're not flexible enough to spread your feet apart. A good stretch for this is practicing first position, like in ballet, against a wall because you'll be doing a similar position for this move. The move in theory is pretty simple. I'm doing the easiest version, which is being flat on all 8 wheels. We're starting feet parallel but at a 45-degree angle. This is my dominant side for this move. I'm leading with my right leg, but my left is doing the hard work. It's the leg that's most flexible for me. From here, put your weight on your back leg and have the lead foot slightly lift the toe wheels to point out, and then put some weight on it to push forward. At the same time, the other leg is following, but will follow with the back wheels. So it's lifting the toe wheels slightly to open out in the opposite direction of the lead foot and following it. From here, the lead foot is coming back in, pushing forward. The back foot will turn in to follow it with the front wheels. That's it. Those are the basic 4 steps to this move. Practice going as slow as possible and build that muscle memory of what foot does what. Also, practice it on both sides. I have noticed with myself that I have different dominant sides depending on the move that I'm doing, so you never know. From here, I learned to do the snake walk with my lead foot just being on the toe wheels. I've also seen people do it with both feet on toe wheels, and one of my recent favorites is just doing it backwards, but that's for another video. Make sure to like this video, save it so you can easily come back to it when practicing, and of course, don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.